How to start investing with just $100. Many people believe that investing is only for the wealthy, that you need thousands of dollars, expert knowledge, or perfect timing. In reality, investing is far more accessible than most people think. In this video, we'll walk through how you can start investing with just $100. Step by step, in a simple and beginner-friendly way. No hype, no shortcuts, just clear, practical information to help you get started responsibly. What investing really means. At its core, investing simply means putting your money to work so it can grow over time. Instead of letting your money sit in cash and slowly lose value due to inflation, investing allows your money to participate in the growth of businesses and the economy. When you invest, you're not trying to get rich quickly. You're aiming for steady, long-term growth. This mindset is important, especially when starting with a small amount like $100. Why $100 is enough to start. A common mistake beginners make is waiting until they have enough money. But the amount you start with is far less important than starting early. Small investments made consistently over time can grow significantly. Choosing the right investment platform. Before you invest, you'll need a brokerage or investment platform. For beginners, the best platforms usually share a few features: low fees, simple, easy-to-use interfaces. The key here is not finding the perfect platform, but choosing one that allows you to start safely and learn as you go. What to invest in. As a beginner, one of the most important decisions is what to invest in. For most beginners, individual stocks are risky. A single company can fail, even if it looks strong today. This is why many long-term investors prefer ETFs or index funds. These funds invest in many companies at once, providing diversification automatically. With $100, this approach helps reduce risk while still allowing your money to grow with the market. How to invest your $100 step by step. Here's a simple way to invest your first $100. First, deposit the money into your investment account. Second, choose a broad market ETF or index fund. Third, invest the full amount or split it if fractional investing is available. Once invested, the most important step is often the hardest. Do nothing. Avoid constantly checking prices or reacting emotionally to short-term market movements. Investing rewards patience. Common beginner mistakes. New investors often make the same mistakes. They chase trends, they panic when markets fall, or they expect immediate results. Investing works best when you stay consistent, think long-term, ignore short-term noise. Markets move up and down. That's normal. What matters is staying invested over time. Conclusion. Starting to invest with $100 won't change your life overnight, but it can change your financial future. The goal isn't perfection. The goal is progress. By starting early, staying consistent, and focusing on long-term growth, you give yourself one of the greatest advantages in personal finance. This is Financial IQ, where we focus on understanding money clearly and calmly. Subscribe for more simple, evidence-based finance education.